Quality brake parts. State-of-the-art brake materials. Rear drum. Package dimensions: 24.384 lx 4.826 hx 15.748 w centimeters. Top reviews from the United States. Don't put it off. If you are experiencing braking problems like I was, just replace all the parts on the rear brake drums and you will thank yourself for it. After inspecting the rear brake drums, I realized that I would have to replace all the parts with new components in the kit. After replacing both drums and brake shoes plus springs, etc., the truck now responds to braking like a new vehicle. So don't gamble with your safety and replace all rear brake components if they are worn out, missing, bent or broken.